Welcome to Auto 11K. Ladies and gentlemen, today we talking about 2026 Kia Sportage takes the compact SUV segment to a whole new level with its bold design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. This latest iteration from Kia combines a futuristic look with practicality, making it a top choice for modern drivers seeking style, efficiency, and reliability. With an updated and striking design, the 2026 Sportage features a bold front fascia dominated by Kia's signature tiger nose grille, now wider and more aggressive. Sleek LED headlights with a new daytime running light pattern give it a futuristic appeal, while sculpted lines and a dynamic silhouette enhance its sporty presence. The rear showcases a redesigned LED taillight setup connected by a light bar, adding to its high-tech aesthetics. The aerodynamic enhancements not only improve fuel efficiency but also contribute to a smooth and quiet ride. The 19-inch alloy wheels and optional blacked-out exterior package further elevate its stylish and confident stance. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and technology, offering a driver-centric layout with high-quality materials. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching provide superior comfort, while a panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of space. The new digital cockpit features a curved dual-display system integrating a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an infotainment touchscreen with Kia's latest user interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Advanced ambient lighting, a multi-zone climate control system, and a spacious rear cabin make the Sportage one of the most comfortable SUVs in its class. The cargo space is generous, with a power liftgate for added convenience. Under the hood, the 2026 Kia Sportage offers multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient turbocharged 1.6-liter engine producing 187 horsepower and a hybrid variant delivering a combined output of over 225 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid model boasts an electric range of approximately 40 miles, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. Kia's latest all-wheel drive system with terrain mode ensures excellent grip and stability across various driving conditions. The smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission enhances performance, while the improved suspension setup provides a refined ride. One of the biggest selling points of the 2026 Sportage is its affordability compared to rivals. With a starting price of around $28,000 for the base model and hybrid variants beginning at approximately $33,000, it offers premium features at a competitive price point. The top-end trims with luxury enhancements and advanced driver assistance systems remain under $40,000, making it one of the best value SUVs on the market. Kia continues to impress with the Sportage's commitment to safety and technology. The 2026 model is equipped with an upgraded ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The Sportage also features over-the-air software updates, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest technological advancements. The 2026 Kia Sportage is a well-rounded SUV that delivers in every aspect, from design and technology to performance and value. With its futuristic styling, comfortable interior, and efficient powertrain options, it stands out as a top contender in the compact SUV segment. Whether you prioritize style, comfort, or eco-friendly driving, the new Sportage offers something for everyone, making it a perfect choice for modern drivers looking for an all-in-one package.